Installing Python 3. How to install Python 3. Installing Python 3. To use all the tools that we have talked about so far, we first need to install Python 3, and the following sections describe how we can install Python on different operating systems. Installing Python 3 for Windows. Installing Python 3 for Windows. If you use Windows, like Windows XP or Windows 7 or Windows 10, any kind of Windows, if you use any kind of Windows, how to install Python 3 for Windows? To download the Python executable, visit this website, python.org, then download the Python MSI file. And please make sure that you choose the right version and download the Python MSI file. And concerning your platform and the Python installation may need an administrator account. For all the stages of the Python installation, you can leave all the settings at their default values. And if the installation has been done properly, you should see the following dialog window open, like this picture. Complete the Python 3.3.3 installer, and then click the finish button to exit this installer now. Installing Python 3 for Linux. If you use Linux system, how to install Python 3 for your machine. To set up Python 3 on Linux, we can use the package manager apt with the following command: root add debian and apt get install Python 3. Okay, downloading the example code. How to downloading the example code? You can download the example code files for all package books you have purchased from your account packagebub.com. If you purchased this book elsewhere, you can visit this website packagebub.com. Support and register to have the files emailed directly to you. And we need to confirm the modification purposed by apt. How to install Python 3 for Mac OS. If you use Mac OS, like Apple operating system, the latest version of Mac OS already has a version of Python. However, version 2 of Python is installed, and we would like to install version 3. To do this, visit this website python.org, then download the right version. Then open the file with the extension DMP. Finally, run the file with the extension mpkg. If you get an error such as Python cannot be opened because it's from an unidentified developer, perform the following steps. Please be careful here in this point. If you have error such as Python cannot be opened because it's from an unidentified developer, perform the following steps. Number 1, take this action now. Number 1, in Finder, locate the Python install. Number 2, press the control key and then click on the applications icon. Number 3, select open from the shortcut menu. Number 4, click on open.